3, 2, 1, Little Monkey Learning!
Hi kids, thanks for joining our troop of smart little monkeys who love learning new things. Let's see what we're going to learn about today. Today on Little Monkey Learning, Peppa and George are going to play What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? Hooray! Yay! I love that game! Aw, I don't know how to tell time. That's okay, George. We'll teach you. Let's learn all about telling time. This is a clock. The face of a clock is a circle. And all around the circle are numbers. There are 12 numbers. Let's point and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You'll notice the 12 is all the way at the top of the clock. The 6 is all the way at the bottom. The 3 is all the way on the right, and the 9 is all the way on the left. All clocks have numbers that look like this, and always the 12 is at the top. There are 2 hands on the clock. A short hand, this one is red, it's called the hour hand. It tells you what hour it is. There's also a minute hand. It's the long hand and blue on this clock. It tells you how many minutes it is. Now let's learn how to tell time. The short hand, the hour hand, is pointing at the 2. That means it's 2 o'clock. And the minute hand, the long hand, is pointing straight up at the 12. That means there's no minutes, so it's just 2 o'clock. Let's see what happens when we turn the minute hand. It goes all the way around, past the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and now it's 3 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 3, 3 o'clock, and the minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12. This is 3 o'clock. Let's do that again. I turn the minute hand, and this time I want you to watch the hour hand. What's happening? It's moving away from the 3 and closer to the 4. It is now 4 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing to the 4, and the minute hand is pointing straight up. It's 4 o'clock. Now you try. I'm going to turn the minute hand, and let's see what time is it. The hour hand is pointing at the 5. So what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 5 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. It's 5 o'clock. Let's do another one. What time is it going to be next? The hour hand is pointing at the 6. That means it is 6 o'clock. You got it. It's 6 o'clock. Okay, George, now that you know how to tell time, let's play What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? Okay. First, you go over there and I'll go over here. Go. Okay, George, first you ask me, what time is it, Mr. Wolf? What time is it, Mr. Wolf? That's right, George. Then I will tell you what time it is, like 2 o'clock. And you take 2 big steps forward. Okay? Okay. Let's get started. I'm gonna turn around. Okay, George, go ahead and ask. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 4 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. 4 o'clock. That's it, George. Now ask again. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. 3 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 3 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. 3 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 2 o'clock. 1, 2. 2 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 2 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. 2 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 1 o'clock. 1. 1 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 1 and the minute hand is straight up. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Lunchtime! Now when it's lunchtime, George, you run back and I try to catch you, okay? Okay. Ask me again. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Lunchtime! Run! That was fun, wasn't it, George? Yes, yes. Do you want to play again? Yes, yes. Okay, this time you get to be the wolf. Hooray! Go over there and wait for me to ask you what time it is. Okay. Okay, George, wait for me to ask you what time is it, Mr. Wolf, and then you tell me what time it is, okay? Okay. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 6 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. 6 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 5 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. 5 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 4 and the minute hand is pointing straight up. 4 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Lunchtime! Woo! Today on Little Monkey Learning, we learned all about telling time. Yay! We learned about the clock, how to tell time, and then we played What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? Did you have fun, George? Yay! I had lots of fun. Hooray! What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf is a great game. You can play it at home with your family and friends. If you like this game, press the like button and remember to subscribe. See you next time on Little Monkey Learning. I wonder what we're gonna do next. Bye! Remember to subscribe so you can watch more of our videos and continue being a smart little monkey. Click on the happy monkey face to subscribe and click below for the next educational video. On to the next one. See you there.